All right. Well, first of all, Happy New Year. I hope you guys are getting off to a great start. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about what I see 2022 bringing. And this is more of a finance video. And again, I'm just a YouTuber. I am barely even a YouTuber. I can't stress that enough. So whatever I say, it's just my opinion. You could do whatever you please, and you should. You definitely should, because it's your life. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about what I believe 2022 is bringing us, and let's just jump into it. All right, so there's really three options that I see happening in 2022. The first one I see being more likely than all the other ones, and that's simply it just gets boring. The stock market's not going to return that well. Maybe crypto. I could see crypto doing well in 2022 because we're still dealing with inflation and whatnot, but I know they're talking about raising rates this year, and I think that it just put a hold on like the housing market. I don't see it crashing, but I don't also see people running to sell their houses and people that are going to be constantly buying, because imagine you locked in like a 2-3% rate and all of a sudden now it's 6 or 7 or 8, and it just doesn't make sense logically to sell your house and then get a higher interest rate. So I could see the housing market as being very stagnant, and also more of the stock market. I could see probably a run at the beginning of this year because of inflation, and they're not raising rates until like March, April-ish, right? So we still have some room, but as soon as they start tightening, in my opinion, I just think it's gonna obviously slow down growth. And then for the housing market, I think it's just gonna be very stagnant. Like, is it's gonna be a flat year? I think crypto is gonna do well because you're not just gonna get rid of inflation with one interest rate hike, because you're not just gonna get rid of inflation by raising interest rates one time. So option one is just everything is boring. I think that's probably gonna play out. Option two is we have high inflation and they can't stop it because they're not acting fast enough. But if they act too fast, they crash the economy. So it gets a little complicated. But with high inflation that can't be stopped, I mean, real estate's gonna go up, stocks will go up, crypto will go up, any asset's really gonna go up. I believe in that more than deflation for this year. Maybe deflation like next year, maybe. But you do have a lot of smart people saying deflation is coming. I think deflation is coming, but I don't think we're like super close to it yet. I think we're closer to more inflation than deflation. But that's just my opinion. Again, I'm just a YouTuber. And the last one that these smart people are talking about is deflation, which means companies are buying more than what they need at the moment. And once people stop buying it, they're gonna have to lower prices, which is deflation. And when they raise interest rates, the velocity of money goes down, which is deflation. It's kind of interesting. I could see all of this kind of playing together, but I do think 2022 is going to be kind of a boringer year. I hope I'm wrong. I would like to make a lot of money in my investments. That'd be really great, but investing is a long-term game. And again, I don't know what the hell 2022 is going to bring. I don't have no crystal ball or anything. I am just sitting back, thinking with my own brain, and telling you guys what I think. Like I said, I think it's going to be more of a boring year, kind of flatter, you know, whatever it is. I think crypto is going to do well still because we're dealing with inflation. And if we can get inflation under control, big if, then crypto is probably in trouble. But I don't see our government getting inflation under control because, well, they don't have anything under control. But just my opinion. Just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Tell me what you guys are predicting for 2022. What are you guys' investments? How are you guys playing this year? Any goals? I'd love to hear all of it. But with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you like this type of content, I would appreciate it if you dropped a like, comment, subscribe. Do whatever you got to do to stay in the loop. I drop a video about every other day, helping you mentally, physically, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. All for free. All you got to do is subscribe. That's it. With that being said, my name is Derek with Flip and Drip, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.